Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2004 ECE paper and the topic we are discussing is electron devices. This is 6th 2-mark question, came in GATE 2004. The longest wavelength that can be observed by the silicon, which has a band gap of 1.12 electron volts, is 1.1 micrometer. If the longest wavelength that can be observed by another material is 0.87 micrometer, then the band gap of this material is A. 1.416 electron volts, B. 0.8886 electron volts, C. 0.854 electron volts, D. 0.706 electron volts. Correct answer for this question is A. 1.416 electron volts. We'll see the details. The given information is silicon energy gap is given as 1.12 electron volts, and by that time the maximum wavelength of absorption is lambda silicon is equal to 1.1 micrometer. And for second material, we need to calculate the general equation between energy gap and wavelength is nothing but Eg is equal to hc by lambda, where h is Planck's constant and c is velocity of light. H is Planck's constant, which is a constant one, and c is velocity of light, that is also constant. If you multiply these two quantities, what you are going to get, and the equation can be written in this way: Eg is equal to 1.24 divided by lambda, that must be in micrometers, electron volts units are. So Eg is equal to 1.24 by lambda, that lambda must be in micrometers. So this is the relation between energy gap of the material and maximum wavelength observed by that material. And given energy gap of that material, which absorbs 0.87 micrometer as the longest wavelength. So the material is going to be absorbing the longest wavelength as 0.87 micrometers. We are going to calculate energy gap. So use the equation Eg is equal to 1.24 by lambda, that lambda must be in micrometers. Simply wavelength is directly given in micrometers. We can write it as 0.87. 1.24 divided by 0.87 is nothing but 1.416 electron volts. So the correct answer for this one is 1.416 electron volts. See this one. The given information is related to the silicon. It is nowhere related for our actual problem. Even if it is absent also, you can calculate the Eg for that material which absorbs 0.87 micrometers as its longest wavelength. So the correct answer is A, 1.416 electron volts. Thank you.